What's up, hungry people? John Juan here with Is There Any More? And I got an extra special dish that I want to share with my seafood lovers, wood plank salmon. Now, if you know anything about salmon, you know that salmon packs a lot of flavor when it's seasoned right, but if you season it right and cook it on one of these planks, you're in for a delicious meal that everyone will love. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this one. Today we're gonna be seasoning with garlic butter, black pepper, adobo, Old Bay blackened, and lemon pepper. With the salmon laid out on the plank, we're gonna add our seasonings. We're gonna get a light coat of everything going across. Remember, salmon holds flavor, so if you over season, you'll definitely taste it once you take it off the plank. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and that you're subscribed so you never miss a tasty meal like this. Now we're gonna place our wood plank on the grill and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Within that 20 to 25 minute mark, you'll want to check the salmon to see that it's splitting from the skin. If it is splitting from the skin, that means your salmon is just about ready. FYI, absence of the white residue on salmon means that it's starting to dry out. You'll want it off the grill before then. Alright, hungry people, as you can see, we have this fresh salmon right off the plank. The meat came right off the skin, so you know that it's nice and cooked. There's not much left to do but eat this mug now, alright? So enjoy this recipe, something nice, healthy for the family. Again, I'm John Juan. This is There Any More? Let's eat. Cut perfect. Nice cedar taste to it.